Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Positive and Healthy Living with Swapna Singha. Today I will show you how I have made planters in my house. In my previous video I had told you that I have moved into a new apartment because my husband's job is a transferable job and I'm still doing the decoration part, and I'm very fond of plants, and today I wanted to share this video showing you how I made planters in my house out of few things which we use in our daily life, and this is one of the things. We all use coconut in our house either for puja or as a fruit or for cooking. I'm sure every house must be using this, and we also drink coconut water, and generally we throw the shell, which I feel that we can use it instead of throwing it. We can recycle it, and this is one way to recycle it. You can plant any small plants, although you cannot plant a very big plant in this. I am very fond of orchids, so I have planted orchid. It's very easy. You don't need soil for orchids, but yes, if you are looking for small plants or succulents or any plant which is like jade, you can plant. You can put soil in that. These can be used for indoor plants also, and you can also decorate the cover. You can cover it with jute yarn also, or in any innovative way you can cover it. And the second way, which second thing which I have used is these plastic bottles to plant. I am very fond of anthurium also, so I've planted anthurium and orchids in that. And generally, I don't use plastic bottles in home, but I just happen to have 2 3 bottles with me. So instead of throwing it, I thought I better use it. So I'm using it as a planter again, and again you can be more innovative. You can decorate it, and you can use it in the house for putting money plants and all. And the third is using the jute yarn to cover any box. This is a storage box that I had shown in my previous videos. Using same technique, I have used it on this bottle, and I have covered it and decorated it so that I can plant my money plant. This is again one thing which is available in the house. You all will agree with me. We have a lot of bottles, whether it is ketchup bottle or beverages. And this is also one thing which I had in the house. I have this because I stitched langa for my elder daughter, but in every Indian house we have wool because we generally knit sweaters during winter. So woolen yarn is one of the thing which you can use for decorating, and it looks very beautiful. You don't have to color it; you get it in different colors. So this bottle, yes, I will only cover the upper part because the lower part will not be seen as this bottle will be put in this pot. And this is how I have glued with the help of Fevicol. So after finishing, this will look like this, and see, it looks so beautiful. You don't have to spend money to decorate your house. Everything is available in the house, and we can just reuse it and plant as many plants as you want. For planting, you don't have to be in ground floor anymore. You can plant whatever you want to plant in whichever floor you are staying. And these are the few ideas which I have also used in my house without spending much money on fancy looking pots. And also I want to share that these pots that come very cheap in the market, though it doesn't look really good, so you can decorate it using the same idea. You can use wool to it, and this colorful woolen yarns looks really beautiful on it, and it gives a lot of color and energy to the house. So this is few ideas which I have used in my house, and I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel and also share my videos with your friends and family members. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead.